Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. I know it's a rainy day here in Jamaica. Rainy, as you can see. It's a rainy day here in JA. So this is what happens whenever it rains in Seaview. No matter us or look a bit, no matter how the rain fall, I always have this problem here in Seaview Garden whenever it rains. You see the amount of water? Just look at that. Just look at the amount of water that's running. Like Seaview, whenever it rains, you get pure rain, like pure water coming down. And this water is not literally it's from Seaview, it's coming from uptown, you know. It's running all the way from uptown, then run down here in Seaview. But the thing is, the draining system here in Seaview, it's a very small hole they have right over there by the corner. It is so small, so by the time the water starts to get heavy, you know, and the rubbles that come down as well too, that's gonna just block it up, and then everything that's run over in the street, you know. So this always a case here in Seaview Garden whenever it rains, you know. And them try so many times, say them are fixed, you know. So but each time them fix, it's like it's just the same old story. So this is the tricky part now. You don't know where the pothole is. Oh, I guess it's right there. Tricky part, you don't even know where the pothole. Alright, so that's the swamp over there. That's it right there. You see? All the rubbish, everything come down, everything black up. So, you know, all of that cause problem. So everything that get congested. Yeah, so when it's rain, it's madness here in Jamaica, boy. Madness. Jamaica need proper draining system, you know. So that's why we always have so much flooding as well too, because the draining system here in Jamaica is not that wonderful at all, you know. It's not that wonderful. This is how it's looking right now in the day, guys. So when it looks like this, you make it don't want to come out your house, you know. But you know, you have to come out same way, matter rain, sun or shine, you know. Still have to out same way, because rain is a part of life, you know. It's part of the nature, you know, to see rain. So you cannot run from it. Sun the same thing. Overcast, same thing, night and day. That's the same thing. So it's part of living life here on this universe. So we have to experience everything. So you cannot make sure the water make it don't have to come out. You know, that kind of stuff. You go, look at this traffic. No, this is another problem again. Traffic. When it rains in Jamaica, you find the traffic. Look at that traffic there. So that means the best place for me to drive is Spanish Town Road, and I don't want to drive Spanish Town Road, but I have to drive Spanish Town Road. I have to, because of all of this traffic. Oh Lord, I wouldn't want to stuck in that traffic. Just imagine how many cars here in Jamaica. Right now nobody can afford a car, you know, most people. As well, the same way Jamaica have this higher purchase thing. When once you're working, you can take out a vehicle I can pay for it monthly also, so that helps, you know, build up the car problem here in Jamaica with all this traffic. So right now everybody have a car. If I have a job, I have a pay slip, you know, the Chinaman them just pack up Jamaica with pure car. Just look, everywhere you see traffic. I said this already one time, so I remember when I was a youth, you're lucky if you find traffic in Jamaica, you know. When I was a youth, you'd be so lucky to find traffic in Jamaica, but now you can find traffic everywhere in Jamaica. It no matter where you are, traffic, you know. God damn, this what cause problem now. Yes guys, so I just ran into a congestion of traffic. I would have to put on the camera to start steer to get out that traffic because that was so congested. So I'm here along Spanish Town Road, you know, driving on Spanish Town Road heading down towards downtown, you know, and the traffic, ongoing traffic coming up is not looking so bad, you know. Going down is kind of flowing, you know, that is a good sign, but just to see how far it goes, you know. So this is just giving you a day in life when it's rain here in Jamaica, you know, especially when it comes on to rush hour time, you know. But if you can count how many cars here in Jamaica, boy, hey, so many vehicles here in Jamaica, so many vehicles. So for those who just join in, yeah, so this we're on Spanish Town Road here, heading to downtown, you know, from 3 Mile direction, you know, coming from home as well. So for those who are watching, you know, how many of you already like the video, you know, because I know from you watching, how many of you already like the video, you know. If you like the video, thank you. If you haven't liked it yet, thank you as well too. You can go and put the thumbs up, you know guys. So remember, you know, if you really like this program and you know deep down you haven't put the thumbs up, you can go and put the thumbs up, you know, because that's how the algorithm works, you know. Whenever you like the video, YouTube will literally help you promote it. And I know been since lately the likes is not really been adding up, you know. So I ask you guys please to like the video whenever you're watching, you know. You don't have to feel guilty, you know, if you haven't liked the video while you're watching, you know, or if you miss a couple videos and you haven't liked, you don't have to feel guilty. I understand, because sometimes we do forget to do stuff, you know. So if you forget to like it, I understand. And if you don't like it, then I understand if you literally just don't like it, you know. So that's the difference. And this is what I was talking about now, traffic right here, you know, literally right here, Kid Lane. So in Jamaica, you know, when time it comes on to traffic, they turn the road into 3 lanes going down and 3 coming up. So in front of me, as I can see, this is like 3 lanes. It seems like I'm in the middle. You have one on the right there, so you have one on the left, as you can see. Okay, so now it's going to become 2. That car was trying to make it into 3 lanes. Traffic. Do you wonder why it always have traffic whenever it rains? Is it because people cannot drive as well they want to, especially in Jamaica, because of the potholes? You know, there's so much potholes. And when the water cover the pothole, you know, you don't know where is the pothole, so you don't know how to drive. So you take your time to try to figure out. Look at it, look at that big pothole the truck just dropped into. Okay. So now the car is trying to hide from it now. See the big pothole right there. I don't know why Jamaica is known for its pothole. making noise. Rainy day here in Jamaica. You know, see, when the weather is like this, it make you want to stay home. You know, but for me, it's not the case. I'm still out here in this traffic. I need to go to Ivo Spice to get one of those breadfruit burger. You know, get one of those vegan burger made by Ivo Spice. You know, I'm telling you, with that burger, you know, the bun is not bread. The bun is literally a breadfruit. You know, so imagine you're eating a burger, instead of eating the bread, the wheat bread or white bread, you're having a breadfruit as the bread, as the bun. You know, I mean, I tell you, it tastes so good. You know, it tastes so good. Ivo Spice, you know, in spice it's so right. So I'm telling you, it's nice. So that's where I want to head to right now, to have a burger done by Ivo Spice. And whenever you're in Jamaica, guys, you can go and check out Ivo Spice. You know, check out this organic food, ital food. It's really nice, vegan. You know, and I'm telling you, the specialists, please try out the burger. You know, try out the burger whenever you go there. And it's at 131 Orange Street. You know, so you need to go and check it out. Ivo Spice is also on Instagram as well too. Ivo Spice, says IBO Spice. You know, so you can check him out. Ivo Spice. Yeah, you love the food. Stir fry, like the chickpeas, like everything is true. Even the soup, you know, they call it sip, tastes so good. You know, not even fish tea don't taste good as that. I'm telling you, I'm not bragging, nah, you know, but it does taste good. So welcome, guys. You're stuck with me for today. You know, I don't know if you're enjoying this part of the video, driving in the car with me talking to you. This whole thing, you cannot talk back to me, so tell me what you think. You know, I can hear you, I'm listening, I can feel, I can know when you're saying something. You know, I can tell, experience. Wow, traffic. So I guess I got no turn off to get on Marcus Garvey Drive. I have to go all the way down to Tivoli Terrace. That's the only way I could head to Marcus Garvey Drive from there to go Orange Street. Oh no, I know I'm going to do shortcut. I'm going to take it through Trenchtown. That's the easiest way. It's a good thing I drive this way. Take it through Trenchtown, go through Jungle, then go through 7th Street, and then drive past Blood Bank and go drive past on KPH. So that's the shorter drive to cut out all this traffic to go to Ivo Spice. So rainy. So this road, look at this bus, man, in Netherlands. Out here is Greenwich Farm. You know, guys, I guess out here is Greenwich Farm. Give a blind, make the drive, come on, give a blind, go on through. Look at this, look at that, almost at accident. I told you about this bus driver. He's driving over here for no reason at all. In turn, you see, one more lane, 3 lane, 1, 2, 3 lane. And look at the bus driver. I tell you about Jamaican drivers here, you know, especially the bus driver and the taxi drivers. You know, there's something else. I can't believe them sometimes, you know. I just can't believe them sometimes. They just, hey. That's the only reason why I'll be a policeman, yeah? If I'm gonna be a police, I'm gonna be on the hunt for all the taxi driver and the bus driver. Them. Uno, yes, when the cars be a problem on the road. Yeah, when the cars be a problem. And 98.9% of these taxi and bus vehicles always have an accident. If you look on the vehicle, you can see the damage. 98.9% of them, you know. And the reason why the next 1% is not there is because most of them vehicles that just come on the road. So they probably new. So you know within a week or two, that's it. Them get screwed. Trust me. Alright guys, so literally cutting out this traffic here. So now I'm driving up Greenwich Farm. The Greenwich Farm, I don't even, to be honest, I don't even know most of these roads, but I know them, but I don't remember the names of them. You know, sometimes you hear me probably say something and it's probably wrong, but I just don't remember them. You know, but I know them. So over here to my right, you have Rosetown. You know, I have with right then. So right now I'm going to turn into Rosetown. You know, so right here say welcome to Rosetown. Over here you have Whitfield as well to over here. Alright, so I'm turning into Rosetown because enough of these drive don't know this way. So who used to grow up in Trenchtown, run up and down. So this is Trenchtown here that I just turned into. Rosetown. Rosetown is also Trenchtown as well too, guys, you know. So most of you who never know, you know, but you know us through the years, back in the days of violence, politics and everything, the names them kind of divided. So it's all because Bob Marley was literally in, you know, Rima, which is Trenchtown. You know why it really owns that name of Trenchtown, because of Bob Marley. Bob Marley was living over this side of Rosetown, and probably them that still call it Trenchtown, like how we call Rima Trenchtown on a daily basis, you know. So now we're on 7th Street here. You have Trenchtown School right here. This is the back part of the primary. So this is 7th Street here, and this is Trenchtown Primary right over here. So this is the direction that I'm taking to head to Iowa Spice. Here guys is what them call no man's land. Guys, them call this no man's land, you know. So it's in between jungle, and over there you have Demontown, and also you have Rima. But on this side, Demontown is right over there, and right over here is jungle. Right, so here in the night time is dark, you know. So this is what them call no man's land. So it's good to drive in the day, but in the night it's dark, it's very risky. Alright, so we know very well the Almighty, no man's land, so stay far from it. So So over here you have blood bank to my right. You're gonna see as soon as I reach on the top of the road. Up here, I'm not sure the name of the road that's up here. To be honest, I'm not sure. So guys, if you know the name of the road, you can say in the comment section. But me, I don't know it. So over here you have blood bank over there. So that's blood bank you're looking at right over there. And you have Victoria Jubilee Hospital right ahead. So you have Victoria Jubilee Hospital right ahead of me. So I'm just giving you a different type of content today, driving through in the rain in Jamaica. So how much of you watching was born in that hospital over there, Victoria Jubilee Hospital? I'm one of them, you know. I was born over there. Alright, Michelle, so I'm gonna take the left right here. That's gonna take me right on Orange Street. So it's so quick. This get me into Orange Street once you drive through Trenchtown there, 7th Street, quick and fast, you know. So with Orange Street now, you know, it's a one-way road up. So what I have to do, one-way road, and it's right down there, so I have to go up to come back around, you know, because it's a bit down the road. So I'm gonna drive back up Orange Street, take my first right, you know, on Boot Avenue. So in Boot Avenue, go back down. Someone remind me the name of this road. I forgot. Alright. I think this is King Street. Yeah. Yes, I guess this is King Street all the way down. I think. Guys, remember the reason why me is a youth that don't really know much of the streets them, you know. I live here when I was younger. And then now, in my time when I was here in Jamaica, we never really stray or certain places that much because of the violence in my community of Trenchtown. You know, back in the days when Trenchtown and Tivoli Garden of this violence was going on, you know, we couldn't stray go certain places. So I was limited to certain places to go because, you know, parents, my mom and my dad not gonna let me leave the community that easily because, you know, when you're youth, kids are always a problem. So that's why I'm not really to know so many names. So I'm gonna turn on Charles Street now to get back on Orange Street. So right now I'm on Charles Street here. Gonna fall out right back on Orange Street. See, so I'm back here on Orange Street, and Ibo Spice is right here on my left. Ta-da! Ibo Spice right there. We have in here. chickpeas.
Anata chickpeas. Stew, I think is gungo pea stew. And this side is mushrooms and what is it? Mushrooms and what? Gardening. That's what I thought. Mushrooms and gardening.
And coconut.
And so on top is shredded coconut, shredded chocho, cucumber, lettuce, tomato, pear, and plantain. Oh, all of that on top of crushed yam.
Okay.
Crushed yam and tartling.
Tartling, not dumplings, tartling.
No.
What a lovely meal here at Ivo Spice. You know, girls, you have to come here to get there. Oh, one more of that as well. To that bad, you know.
The sea moss.
Yeah, never know say bad, you know.
5 sea vegetables in it.
5 sea, okay. But it tastes good. It gives me like a spark of energy as well too.
Of course.
Yeah, it's like a food itself. Yeah. I told me up the other day as well too. Yeah, yeah. Cool one. Nice man. Can't stay. Can you imagine? Yeah. Cool man. Alright guys, alright. So here is my aiga. It's not burger, it's called aiga. You know? So this is the bun I'm telling you about. It is made from breadfruit itself. You know? Let's take a good look. Let's take a good look. All vegetable as well, so that's it. So the bun is the breadfruit. You know? Just imagine that you're eating, it's a burger aka aiga. You know, Rastafari name wears different names, so it's aiga for you. You understand? So watch what I got. Show you what I got. Aiga. Look. So this is a special. Whenever you get here, you have to try this. This is too good not to try. Way too good, guys. So you need to come here and try what this. The texture, everything, you know, as we said, for you can call it burger, but Rastafari with them say aiga. You know, them have to find a way to give it a name, but trust me, this so nice, so nice, so nice. I'm gonna tell you, sir, not lying. If I eat something and you have to close your eye, do it nice. This aiga. It's my number one. You know? It is my number one. Yeah? It's my number one. I know I don't need to lie about anything that I'm eating. You know I never need to lie about anything that I'm eating. So I'm just telling you as it is. This is something else for you to try. You know? Remember before I was a pescatarian, you know, vegetarian slash pescatarian, right? I used to eat burgers and then thing way before. So for me to compare the taste that I used to have way back then and now, this is way better. So far better. So far. So far better. Wow. There's no meat, nothing at all. Nothing. Yeah. I have a spice. Wow. Guys, it's almost finished. I don't know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Put them there. Well, this eye guy, hey, something else. Something.
Food, boy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's nothing good than washing down the burger with some sea moss. Something like that, something different. Imagine that after that healthy tiger with some sea moss with spirulina and all of that. Imagine that. That is it, guys. That is it. You know, I had my food, my belly is full. Same other thing, I'm gonna hit the road now, guys. It's night anyway, so blessed love. Josie! Yo, Josie! When you come to Trenchtown, said Josie, Josie. Only one Josie. Baby Josie, you have lemonade? I'm peeping over the fence. I'm peeping over the fence. Guys, baby have a big dog in the yard. If you see the dog, him big. Big pit bull. Yeah, I'm gonna show you him. So big, he run.
So big as him.
Yeah, Doberman you call him dog there. Baby got a big Doberman dog. You know reach us yet?
Yeah.
I don't know where she get that dog. Huh? They get a lot but the big dog in the yard. Nah, they do nothing. Wow. You see the big dog? Yeah, I see him, guys. Look at this big dog. Big Doberman dog. Where him there? See him there. Him get liquor. Oh, him shrink. Hello. He's not big, he's small.
Where there?
See him there? See her there?
Come here. You want food away on the house?
I mean, she say, man. But she not get no walk today. Baby. Lemonade, lemonade, lemonade. Give me one lemonade. Right now, me want one of the lemonade, lemonade. Give me a lemonade. Say, yeah. Oh, go back outside here.
Come here.
Everybody there start shutting on your job So what is
Lemonade, lemonade, baby give me a lemonade. Right now me want to go quench the lemonade. Baby I go lemonade. Right now when me lemonade. Juicy, juicy with the lemon. Hey, juicy, juicy with the juice. Shaka boy some carrot juice. Lemonade with the carrot juice. Fruit juice, no bag juice. No bag juice. I still come. I do some work when I walk today. Alright. Oh, prefect. Prefect is here. Murray, lemonade, lemonade. I buy my lemonade. Let me tell you. Prefect. Up and running. You see, off the road today.
Yeah.
Cool no. Prefect is here, guys. I'm telling you the other day the prefect. On the road, hustling. You know, so prefect is on today. Up at Mugul, I get facial board and come back. You know, grab me say one length of 60 right? And get 3 strips. Oh, your foot still?
No, someone forgot to tell us if
to bring this up, my dog. True, never there. Me know it got them.
Go down, but you know, an ankle.
Yeah.
It's not fully dry, you can't see it's still.
The prefect spraying him foot the other day. Walking and dropping in the pothole. Hey, walk and drop in the pothole. So you can manage to walk, prefect. Oh, go on. One tall pay. During a whole chef in the idea, yeah. The shop paint already. So, the shop paint already.
Yeah, man, paint already, man.
So opening.
Yesterday, my boy painted, you know.
Oh, so opening time. Thumper. All of the jelly them empty. Prefect, yeah, lip man. You sure you can manage your walk? Go away. Yeah, man, let's go away till we come back. Cause that foot is swell up. It's a prefect loyalty. When him foot swell, him still want to walk.
I want a piece of board right there, dog.
Yeah.
Man,
And if you want it, I'll bring and strip. Yeah. So me and Osha can go and get it. It's a prefect that show his loyalty, even when him can't walk fully. Prefect, sat now, I'm gonna come. Just look out for him, see me. Tell him some go on the hard way, yeah. Yeah. Yes, now him have one too. Yes, guys, I'm gonna say prefect loyalty. The man is short. He want to walk and his foot swell up so much. So I'm telling him, say, no man, might as well let us wait till we come back. We're just gonna get the board and 3 strips. You know. So the builder can come finish off the small bits and bobs that leave to finish off, you know. So you know the thing goes already, guys, so you know the journey continues the same way, you know. We're on the road to complete off the worship place, you know. It's not far off right now, you know, as you can see. All this patching off left now, so we finish off the patching off. Then we're gonna smooth off, you know, so we can paint off, furniture off. Whoa, chef, your bed base, it good? Firm enough? Yeah. So you want a different bed base?
Yeah, man, I use a different bed base.
Oh, so you get rid of that one then?
Yeah, man, a different bed base. You see me?
It's a years I done this.
Yeah,
Say you want to change it?
Yeah, man, I change it now because some of the mega part board them come like I'm get staff.
Okay.
Yeah, so bed base. A good look, man. Till we done, man, I see everything, man. Get a good look, man. I change over, man.
So the whole full house then, the whole bed in my gonna need, guys. The whole bed I'm gonna change over. Yeah. Get him. We want to get a Chester drawer.
Yeah.
And Chester drawer for him as well too. You know, want to get that, and him also go want a stove for the kitchen. You know, so at least.
Yeah, man. My girl from New York right now can come now. I have a nice flowers for her, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see it. You see, man. I want to come comfortable place. I go there the phone, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, flowers for her.
Yeah, I have some nice roses for you, you know.
Yeah. Roses are red.
So next year Valentine's, link up. Yeah. And roses, everything full there. Yeah.
Ready.
Yeah, man. Ready and up and ready. Running. So.
Yeah, that. Real lover's choice, you know.
Yeah, man.
So now get the real lover's choice. Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah, bathroom for them.
So.
Yeah, the bathroom at the toilet tonight already.
Come, you see me, I say.
Yeah.
But you gonna have phone and pool and you can't swim in there. But you can take on a river.
Aye.
Yeah, I'm doing a sea.
Yeah.
So me I say, alright, that's it there now, people. Yeah, man, see that. Nice days from New York, you know. Boy, them enough over New York, me I tell you.
Aye.
No?
Enough.
It's a baby, just come feet. We have all the nice flowers for now.
So when you come.
Red flowers, me have white flowers. All different flowers.
So when you come.
So when you come.
That's what voucher giving you. You know, you have choice.
Yeah.
You want red or white, or you want both to get both.
Yeah, man.
If you want ship, you get ship. Anyone you want, you will get it from the wow chef.
Yes,
you know,
man.
spice you want,
you
have that.
Alright.
Sleep a full time for you wake up, you know. I mean, wow. I read this. Oh, walk back from my side, I don't care from everyone, that's it. Eh? Sorry, I forgot to bring it. Oh yeah, go through Fifth Street now. Yeah. Quick car. So guys, so this is the fascia board. Come on, speed up the walking. Yeah, man. Now, go through here, son. So, yes.
I very
I live in Jamaica, you know.
Everyone see there.
I'm not foreign, man. I'm not foreign.
I tell you, say it cannot hide.
We talked about from the littlest.
Yeah.
Careful.
So,
Careful.
just careful with this dog poo.
I'm used to I have dog, man.
Yeah. Alright guys, so you know we're here in Trenchtown and everything goes. And, you know we have Satnam, you know, and families here. You know. We have Satnam and families here. So we have Scotland in the house and it goes like
Romania in the house.
and Romanian, Scotland, and you know Sandra and Satnam, son of Tara and Suki, and you know wife of Satnam. So we're here in Trenchtown. So we're gonna take them to see what's going on the Wow Chef project. You know, so we're rolling through the trenches of what Bob Marley sings about. You know, so these are the zinc fences maybe Bob Marley sing about. Yeah, and here Bob Marley tell about it. Trenchtown, zinc fences, Arshesh. So this is it. So this is what we're trying to eliminate, most of these zinc fences, you know, and build up more concrete structures, you know. So this is like the first time days, you know. You know what is this? You drink it all the time. You know what is this on the ground?
Like berries or?
It's Ribenas.
Ribena?
Yeah, the juice that you drink. Yeah, these are the Ribenas here. The tree is right there. Ribena.
Right here, in the concrete.
Yeah, in the concrete jungle.
That is the concrete.
Yeah. So this is how easy it is to get from one street to another. Usually you have to walk all the way around to get. Yeah. So this is what they make. Good. So this is Fighter Mike, you know, the man with the energy pack.
Yes,
You
definitely
know.
works.
Okay.
Don't even have to drink coffee when you drink. And you have no,
you tried it?
Yeah.
Tried it. You don't no coffee, mate.
No coffee.
Energy all day long, you know.
Yeah. So this is the man here, you know. This is the man.
Where you from?
Me, India.
India?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're in India.
Right.
Boy. I'm in North India, Punjab.
Okay.
India, Rasta. I'm going to go.
Last night, my God, man. Talking for the video, man. Not tell me. Whoa!
Whoa.
Out there.
Long time.
Yeah, man, son. Oh, you know what last night? That's some of $1 in my pocket last night. I got some of my own in there.
Yeah.
My boy saw you complain, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I said, Keely not coming up. My boy nothing up give, you know. Yeah, man, last night, man, see that? Yeah, I never up give, man. Yo! Never back for you, man. Yeah, man, the bomber, man. I said, yeah, man, I have to do it, you know, because I work on it bad, you know. Yeah, man, I go on, you know. Yeah, you have to do the review when I'm not here.
Yeah. But you hear the feedback already. You hear the review already. You know them say energy. You don't need coffee.
I'm run out of sleep all night. I wake up this morning, I run out of sleep. You must go drink it last night. You know?
Oh no. Oh, trouble. Trouble, no.
Yeah.
Drink more, get a go and catch up meal coming up on the road.
Yeah. So this is the Worship project that we.
I'm sure I'm myself around, so.
Yeah.
Tell me when you talk on the video.
Yeah. Where you say? Tell them what going.
Go on, man. I'm going to show it all.
It a go on. Yeah.
Yeah, man, Vitamin.
So this is here where we're doing the project. You know, we're helping out. He's a part of our member. You know, so we're helping them like sort out them living condition. You know, yeah. So we build him like other than a bathroom.
Yeah, good to see you again.
Sandra niece.
Fathers, sisters, daughter.
Yeah. And this is her husband, you know. This is her husband.
Man, he's an Englishman.
No.
Not an Englishman.
Romanian.
True and true, my friend.
Romania.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Ajay, Maraka Ajay.
Yeah.
Wow.
This man love football, man. He love it. Yeah, man.
Real Ajay, man.
Yeah, what Ajay straight away.
The dog guy is world famous.
Yeah.
You see that? See, top number one. One family, man.
So you see most of the house here in Trenchtown, when they build them, they build without a bathroom. And they got like outside bathroom where everyone that lives on the block, they share the same bathroom together. So
Try to build something.
so we add something to his room and also kitchen, without kitchen as well too. Those one is the original kitchen, but people take them and turn them into a room. So inside the house there's no kitchen, so we have to literally just add on kitchen to them. You know, so it's like more additional how it is, you know.
But it's the only way that's going to happen.
Yeah.
Otherwise, there won't be one.
Yeah, otherwise there won't be any.
Creative. They have to do with what they got and make what works.
Yes.
The most important is coming together and making it all work, making it connect together. Because without Kino, they don't have, without them, Kino doesn't have their support. So it's like it's all together.
That's the sense of community that Europe doesn't have no more.
Yeah.
We don't have that in Europe no
They
more.
don't.
That sense of community that
No,
you guys
no,
have
no.
here.
Yeah, they don't.
We have it a lot in St. Elizabeth. There's a lot of community still that we're from St. Elizabeth.
And we saw that after Barrel.
Yeah, there's a lot of community and I love that because there's some great Jamaicans, man. Just don't, whoever's watching and they stigmatize bad Jamaica, we live here. We left our
Country.
come here, we live here, we live in St. Elizabeth. We're very happy. I've never been robbed, I've never been spoken to in a bad way, no disrespect. No one's ever challenged me.
Nothing.
Real love and respect. So it's how you are.
True,
It's how
true.
you are. If you're here to come cause trouble, you're gonna find it.
True.
If you're here like everyone else, it's a beautiful place. People helping each other, trying to put things together. And we're all trying to get ahead, man.
Yeah. So the zinc fence is now what people use to like to make them yard space, you know, because and the zinc now is more cheaper for them than building a concrete wall here, you know.
But
So
remember when it's raining, imagine the noise that's coming.
yeah.
At least you know it's raining without
Yeah, move.
Yeah.
Yeah, you put
You
it in my
don't have
bag.
to check the
They don't
weather.
have to check.
Yes, man. So no, I'm gonna go for some things. So I don't know if you want to take a look to see what it's like. Yeah. Prefect, we make them take a look to see what are going on. Move that off of the step there. Let them pass. So this is how the house them is. You see, it's like one block. Right? So come. So it's like one block. You see? Yeah, so we tile it. So this used to be like the veranda.
That's great.
That's an open space, you know, and we'll kind of carve it round. So it's only used to be this room. That's all they get here in Trenchtown.
Yeah.
Just this room space.
For family.
Yes, you know. So we add on this now, the bathroom, you know, right inside. You can look. So add this one now. We have the bathroom and everything.
Nice.
So imagine this room only without this, you know, and without that. See, that's right in this.
That's a big extension.
Yeah. So if you want to use bathroom, you have to come outside and go all the way to the back.
No.
Yeah.
Nobody else is in it.
Exactly. Oh, no one else is in it. It's the Liberty here in Trenchtown.
Yes, yes.
Step come out looking good. I ain't not done yet.
Chop off and flash up.
Yeah.
Yes sir, that's how we use it, catch it. Yes sir. This is the one that can stay, but me do one, you see?
Oh, one level.
Straighten it up. We just catch a one that the front frame in there. Yeah man. When I said, it can stay, but me just, yes sir, now why we just put 2 pieces of board and line up at this angle.
Yeah. Instead. Chop it out.
The wider it is,
Better. So that's good.
somebody can't catch a style there now.
Younger than his.
Somebody can't catch a style there now.
I know, I'm still not ever see about it. Come again. I'm in the kitchen style coming on stone, but later.
Alright. Yes man, so that's the liberty here in Trenchtown, man. That's it is, that is, man.
Let's say 3 foot. What is it? 3 foot. I'll cut it. I'll cut off. Yeah, I'll cut it. 3 foot half by 3 feet. Measure, I'll cut off 3. From this up to this up. I'm gonna measure from this to this up. How much?
I drop when I tell you drop over.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes guys, as you can see, yeah. To the fascia board.
extra space. Now run left there early, you know, cause watch you go on now. I have some work up on Linda's road, I'll finish it. Maybe size up the board there. So let's make him set it, cut off and set go cut it.
Yes guys, so so our chef step here is complete, you know, so he's gonna dress off this side as well to make it look unique, you know, and put some piece of tiles there as well too over here. So as I can see, so here now you have to leave this open like this, you know. Our chef says he's gonna put a sink outside here, you know, so so this is the step here for our chef going up, you know. As they can see, him have to come over a bit on this side to avoid locking out all of that, you know, because there's the lock off down there as well to that red angle there. This is the lock off right here, you know. These are the pipes, so you know we cannot concrete off everything. We have to leave space just in case, you know. So step nice. So we're gonna put some tile as well too on the step. We're gonna tile off the step for our chef going up as well too. So yeah man, so guys, so cool, no? So yes guys, so we're on the finishing up, you know. We give thanks, I would thank you so much for the blessing. It's time
now. It's not a time now to get the yard clean up. More ask every day, well, really I deal with it now. See now come.
Yeah.
More ask really I deal with it.
So we need to get out some of these things out the yard. So we can do the house opening, you know, the thing look much better and everything. So as we say, we're on the finishing, you know, we're not far off guys. So we're counting the days them down, you know, counting what's to do, you know. So as we say, working with what we're out, you know, and what we're out is our resource. So we're gonna work with it and we give thanks for all the support that we get. And I thank you guys, you know, that you try to encourage me to stay on the journey, you know. I felt your prayer as well too, and I felt your blessings, and I thank you guys so much, you know, to help out the needy. That's what needed to get help out, you know. So we give thanks, you know, for the support for everyone who is here, you know. So, work. Yeah. Crampy. Wagwan. So you will wait for I know say sooner or later our chef will open, you know. So
yeah man. I just look at tool them and you know something, you know, can put them up man. Fix it.
Yeah man, fix it up because I want so we get the yard a good look when time I do the house opening, you know. Yeah. It's a good look, you know.
Yeah,
but no wait to enter already, so you do it liquor by liquor. So you know, so when time the day coming after do too much work. So liquor by liquor. Yeah.
But tomorrow you can start.
Liquor by liquor. Whenever you can start to start, liquor by liquor. So you know, so whenever you're ready now. So the more and more that we can say at least liquor by liquor, because we don't want to leave every work for the one day. You know? And I just know, so I saw the yard stay from then. Probably I forgot strong up the fence as well too.
Fridge them can move, yeah. Can move the fridge and take out something and can't cut the door. There's some tool in them. I'm have to lock up virgin.
So you know fix and them place of your tool place and the seller them and them place.
Yeah man.
Them place.
And them have a dash, you know.
Yeah man.
Them could boat up them have a dash them, you know.
Cause them thing you hold your back, you know.
Yeah.
Them are heavyweight man, you know. Them thing where you see are heavyweight them. You want to get rid of the heavyweight. Don't it? Yeah man. Yeah, get rid of yeah man, get rid of the heavyweight them, you know. Take the weight them off of your shoulder. So when they step in the yard, they're like, yes. You put all the chairs and you sit down in the yard, you know, so yo, you feel comfortable. Because hold for space in the yard, you say, you know. So imagine if everything come out. And you drop a little seat here, so night time in your life, you don't even want to go road. Because you're under your tree and you feel comfortableness in your yard. But when it's like this, it makes you want to go outside. You know? And your garden, you can set the garden right and all set up. You know, same way. Yeah man, I'm telling my friend to see how in so comfortable.
Alright, I hear what you're saying. I'll put my clean up on it.
Yeah, man.
It's a family yard,
Clean up on it.
Yeah.
so it's supposed to ease that we organize.
Yeah.
Like a different family yard.
Yeah,
Brother
yeah.
live in
Yeah.
a family.
3 brother, 1, 2, next one is 3. You know. If you not clean up on space, you know, you can sit, because it's always cool, you know.
Yeah, man.
Put a little bench just so like I know, you know the lie down bench them. You come here, lie down and you relax in your yard like this. It make you do one.
Level down. And you have a flat that go.
Yeah, this can level down.
I build a fence, brother. And come fit that build a fence, I move up them now. I build a fence proper. And
Yeah.
come here. That more
As I say, for the future, well, we have to start though. Just buy some 1 and 2 blocks. So you can just use the block instead. Below wall come right around instead. You see me? So all thing we can do now is just firm it up like how it fall down, just firm it up. You know, so it stay a little bit firm. But the main thing is to get some block, you know, and just block it off. Come right or so. And you have your gate. You understand? And you're good. You know. Because you as a builder, right? How much block you think you need for you so? 300 block. A simple thing that, man.
And when I get it started, you know, the person that come now,
Yeah,
you see, just start choke black.
of course.
Yeah, so
It's simple and 300 black. How much 100 again? I forgot. 11,000 something? Or 11,000 something for 100 black. So that's like what? 30,000, you know, for 300 black. And that black out and done. Concrete. So you don't have to worry about no bullet a fly in a yard. You know? Alright, so make us start get rid of the heavyweight them first out here, little by little. You can have your washing spot, washing machine, and everything. Yeah, you can find the old stuff. Yeah, right across from the house, we can go and stay. Anytime this. Yeah, man, cause when you're ready, you can push them up on the top there, man. You know, them good.
Yeah, man, crab pressure.
Yeah, man, crab is say, I'm saying I'm going to start, take them out. Look by look.
Come back again early.
Yeah.
Take out one for take out. Shoot them up on the side.
Finish with the pencil and this machine.
Yeah, me never machine good.
This good?
Yeah, me man.
I tell you wash?
Wash your man, dry, spin everything there, man. Yeah, man.
So how we do it make space feet once they come out?
Now I take them out, you know. Now I take it out. Do them out. Just let me have a space feet.
Yeah, because you have whole space. Once they come out, you have space feet.
Yeah, can have an extension of dry and just put it aside.
Yeah, so you can put it in a corner where you know, so they say your washing spot same way. But you know, them whole long thing are heavyweight.
Yeah,
So it heavy, hold you down. You see all this? Hold you down. You see them thing right here on the ground, hold you down. Them rubbish here, hold you down. Them thing, hold you down. You know? Imagine when you come out and sweep your yard, you only can sweep just the passage alone. You can't even sweep the whole yard, you only can sweep one line. And everything else I believe, everything, you know? So do the right thing, man. And your blessing not gonna fall like that, you know? Them say cleanliness and everything go leads to the Almighty godliness, you know? Yes, guys. So, good time. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.